Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bhavya's Tadka. Today we'll be preparing veg chow mein, which is a very common Chinese dish and is loved by all age groups. So let's start with the recipe. First we will boil the noodles, for which we will be needing a bowl. We will turn on the gas and on high flame and then add some oil. I added approx 3 tablespoons and some salt to the water so that the noodles don't stick to each other and don't be tasteless. We will be needing plain noodles. You can take any type of noodles available in the market. Next step is to break the noodles into two halves. I divided them into three parts because I like it that way. When the water is boiling, we will add the noodles to it and stir it occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes. When the texture is somewhat like this, turn off the gas and strain the noodles in the strainer. Add some cold water to stop the process of cooking. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix the noodles so that they don't stick to each other. Now in veggies, I have taken 4 garlic cloves and grated them, 2 green chilies thinly chopped, 1 big capsicum and 2 onions thinly chopped. I had only this much available. You can surely add more veggies of your choice. Then I have prepared a mixture of sauces in which I added 3 tablespoons dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1.5 tablespoon vinegar and 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Now mix it well. Now place a kadhai on the gas top. When it heats up well, we are going to add 4 tablespoon oil in it. When the oil is heated, we are going to add green chilies and grated garlic and stir it well. When it turns golden brown, add the onions and mix well for 1 minute. Now add some salt to it, but remember we added some salt to the boiling water and there is some salt in the sauces also. Mix it well. Add the capsicum to it and wait for half minute more and then add the sauces to the mixture and stir well. You can adjust the consistency of the sauces accordingly. Now add the noodles to the mixture. Mix it well. Lastly, add some freshly crushed black pepper powder and mix well. Our veg chow mein is ready to be served. If you liked my recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to view my future recipes. Till then, stay safe, healthy and eat well.